Today, we're going to meet two of the bravest, fastest, and most advanced visual developers from the Webflow community. They'll be going head to head for a chance to win airfare, hotel accommodations, and a ticket to Webflow Conf. Welcome to the 2023 Webflow Speed Build Challenge. Now, if this is your first time tuning in for a speed build challenge, let me walk you through how it all works. Our challengers will be given a random prompt, which you, our virtual audience, will help us choose in an online poll. The prompts for this year will include a type of layout or component to build, the general topic of the content for the layout, a theme for the design, and lastly, of course, a Webflow interaction they need to use. As far as the rules go, each challenger will only have 20 minutes to quickly design, then build their projects in Webflow. Also new this year, challengers are allowed to use any third-party tool that is free and even use custom code to help with their project. Once completed, our guest judges will give each project a maximum score of 10 points. And you, our live virtual audience, can give a challenger 5 bonus points by voting in a live poll during the judging phase. Speaking of judging, let's quickly meet our amazing guest judges. Starting with Adam Mura, designer and co-founder at Reloom. Welcome.
Hello, everybody. It's good to be here.
Awesome. Glad you're here too. Next, we have product designer Daniel McClay.
Hi guys, great to be here and best of luck.
Yes. And lastly, we have Harshit Agrawal, Webflow developer on the FinSuite team.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much, Nathan, for having me. I'm very happy to be here. And all the best to Shreyas and Ankita.
Yes, yes. Thank you all for being here as well to help judge this regional round of the Speed Build Challenge. And speaking of those names, let's meet our two brave challengers, starting with Shreyas from India. Welcome. How are you?
Hey, hi Nelson. Hello everyone.
Welcome. So before this round, you had to compete with 3 other challengers and you won and moved on to this regional round. So what's going on in your mind right now?
Uh, I'm feeling great, honestly. It's just all candid for me, so I'll be trying my best.
Yes, yes. I wouldn't expect anything less from you because you did wonderful in that previous qualifying round, and so glad you're here. And who you'll be going up against? Well, let's welcome returning semifinalist Ankita Gupta, also from India. Welcome, Ankita.
Hello, everyone. It's great to be back here.
Yeah, so glad you're back representing the awesome Floxies community. So yeah, uh you're back and I'm wondering what experience have you gained from last year's competition will you be bringing to this today's challenge?
So I met so many amazing, talented folks over there. So I will be bringing more energy and enthusiasm into this challenge now.
Awesome, awesome. Well, congrats to you both, Shreyas and Ankita, for making it to this round of the challenge. And now it's time to start your regional round. Are you both ready?
Yeah,
Oh, awesome. Okay. Ankita, are you ready? I want to hear it from you.
Definitely, yes.
Okay, that's the energy. Let's go. All right. So we have the poll done. We have 27 votes, and it looks like 3 times. All right. We're going to randomize the prompt 3 times. Let's see what you'll be building today. All right, here we go. Click number 1. Click number 2. And click number 3. I'm going to read it out. All right. A hero row for a movie that has a water theme that also has a page load interaction. Again, a hero row for a movie that has a water theme that also has a page load interaction. All right. Let's put 20 minutes on the clock. Shreyas, are you ready?
yeah,
All right. Ankita, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Good luck to you both. Ready, set, build. All right. While they're getting started, want to further talk to our judges and introduce them. So again, Adam from Reloom. Yeah, so glad you're here. Just wondering, how does this compare to Reloom's own design league? Adam, you're muted.
Yeah, I'm
There we go.
actually keen to see how this plays out because our design league's based in Figma. And I feel like developing and designing at the same time, which is what they're doing here, is probably more challenging, and they have less time to do it too. So we'll see
Yep.
how this plays out.
There's no such thing as absolute position everything in web
Yeah,
design.
true.
Or in
Exactly.
Figma. It's just like, yeah, go anywhere. But you do have auto layout to deal with, so
That's true. That's true. Although they tended not to use auto layout, which is interesting.
interesting. Awesome. Daniel, you've been one of the early adopters and earliest community members at Webflow. I think since 2014. So I'm wondering, like, what is one of the ways that Webflow has helped you in your career since then?
Yeah, Nelson, I actually can't believe that it's been 9 years that I've been using Webflow and a part of the community. It's absolutely mind-boggling that time's gone so fast. But look, I loved Webflow. I found it on a Reddit comment at the time, and it did absolutely everything that I was after. Back then, you could only kind of get some janky template if you're a designer, but you couldn't build exactly what you wanted to pixel perfection. That was even before the CMS was out, actually. So yeah, Webflow, I use it probably daily. I have hundreds of different builds under my belt. So yeah, it's an amazing product and super powerful. And also a shout out to Adam. I'm definitely a Reloom user also.
Awesome.
That's awesome.
Yes. And lastly, Harshit. Yeah, from the FinSuite team. So much props to the FinSuite team. You all been helping the Webflow community gain so much new superpowers in addition to Webflow. So on that superpower note, if you could create or gain your own superpower, what would it be and why?
Hi, Nelson. So thank you so much, first of all. And hi, everyone from FinSuite. So talking about superpower, I think, I personally like and I really enjoy integrating Webflow with multiple tools. Nowadays, like a lot of tools are coming in, which integrates really well. And as more tools are in there, make a combination of those tools have even more potential. So I think one superpower that I would like to have is kind of learn those tools faster, because now it's too many tools. Sometimes it takes a lot of time, and for months we are not aware of, okay, this tool is out now, right? So I think that would be a superpower that I would like to have, to kind of learn all the best things happening in the Webflow space.
So
Yeah.
kind of like a Matrix, where you just download everything in the back of your neck, right? Like into your
Exactly.
brain. I
Yeah.
want to learn Webflow and everything else.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm waiting for Elon Musk to release something,
All right. Okay, let's see how our challengers are doing. So let's see here. I'm looking at okay, so I'm looking at Ankita's screen, and she seems to have a nice gradient. And a button that says get started. Oh, and a background video too. I'm interested what that background video is. I may have missed it. Yeah. Okay. I see some waves in the background. As far as same thing with Shreyas and judges. Which one of these screens is calling out to you right now? Like, which one is getting you hyped up?
Well, it looks like Ankita's is she going to be doing a load page beforehand as well? It looks quite interesting what she's doing there.
Yeah. Let me read the prompt again. It's a hero row for a movie that has a water theme that also has a page load interaction. So yeah, she's definitely setting up for this page load interaction really early. And I see.
Wow, Shreyas is using Bard. That's amazing.
Yeah. I like I said, you can use anything that's free. and
Yeah.
he's getting content from Bard.
For
You know
copy,
what?
yeah.
Why not?
Being very resourceful.
Yep. I mean, I've asked Bard for some help here and there for ideas, so nothing wrong with that. Okay, Lottie files, Lottie animations coming up soon, and he's looking for a shark. Okay. A lot of stuff happening. A lot of stuff happening on Shreyas' screen, and I think it's just a lot of setup for Ankita. But let's go to the live chat. Let's see who's in the live chat right now. Josh is here. Josh Lowe, Flowwalkers, Reloom, welcome. Last year's Speed Build Challenger, Yuan, is here. Nice to have you in the live chat. All right. Welcome. Ben Parker is saying Webflow GPT. I mean, if we can make that happen, that'd be awesome. All right. We have 13 minutes and 50 seconds left. Okay. Yeah.
I'm interested to see Shreyas. Looks like he's going to have some kind of crazy shark animation coming across the screen here, maybe for his later as well, from the Lottie file. So I'm interested to see that.
Okay. Yeah. I didn't see what he downloaded, but if you saw it, I'm interested. So he has a Lottie file and a background video going. How's that going to play out?
Wow, we have CMS as well.
I was about to say, I just threw my hands up like, wait.
Yeah.
Ankita's screen. Let's go to Ankita's screen. She is setting up a collection. She's setting up a collection for waters. What? We didn't ask for this in the prompt, but if she wants to go there, why not? She has a CSV ready to go. Talk about prepared.
This is mind-blowing.
What?
She's
I'm not sure what she's trying to do.
What is my mind? What is
Maybe
going on?
we're going to learn something new here.
Yeah.
This is
Now
very
this is becoming the real esports.
interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, let's zoom out to both. I mean, I love this part of the speed build because it's the setup. You don't know what's gonna happen. It's like they're cooking. They're putting all the ingredients together and they're mixing, and you're like, what's gonna come out of this oven?
For sure.
Oh my gosh.
Well, they've got 12 minutes left to cook, so yeah, I'm very interested to see how this is all going to come together, guys. Very exciting. Keep going. Keep that energy.
Yes.
Get it going.
Let's go to Shreyas' screen, and Shreyas is already in interactions. So he's playing around with Lottie timeline, and he's doing his page load interaction. Okay. This is interesting that he's already in interactions with still 11 minutes and 25 seconds left. Whoa, that is quick. We have Ben Parker. Welcome, Ben, in the live chat, saying impressive and moving so fast. Yes, I'm like, what's going on right now? Austin, welcome. He's saying our next year's challenger is going to be allowed to use Webflow AI. I mean, maybe we'll use Vision Pro or something so you can have unlimited desktop space. I don't know. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, and so I'm wondering, let's go to Ankita's screen.
Slider.
It's a slider?
Yeah. It's a CMS integration, I think, using FinSuite's attributes. Nice.
Oh, yeah. Speaking of FinSuite, it's like coming to a basketball game with your gear, with the right shoes, and maybe you have like a cool I don't know, headband on or something, but like it's the Webflow Chrome extensions, and I see on Ankita's screen we have FinSuite. Is that yours, Harshit? The potato?
Yeah, potato is mine.
And we got Reloom on there. Awesome. Let's go to Shreyas' screen. I see FinSuite and Reloom. What is that V? That looks familiar. It's that
It's from Vimilan.
say it again?
The design, I think.
V Designs, yeah. It's from Vimilan. Amazing design company and Webflow development company. Yeah.
Awesome. And like you can save custom code in there, correct?
Yeah, and you can also save components. So kind of, when you want to create your own style guide and all the thing. Oh.
Sorry, I got distracted by a shark.
Yeah, that loader is cool.
Very cool.
All
Great
right.
whites out here.
Challengers, 9 minutes and 10 seconds left. 9 minutes, 10 seconds. Right. Thank you, Carlos, in the live chat for putting the prompt. Again, Hero Row for a water theme movie with a page load interaction. Okay, we have Ankita in interactions. And Daniel, you're a surfer, so I think these colors and these waves are calling to you.
It is. I just got back from Bali a few days ago and it looks very similar, but thank goodness they don't have sharks over there.
I was going to mention that.
They're all over here though, so in Australia.
Okay, well, hopefully you don't have to deal with them much when you're out surfing, but yeah, this design is
I'm actually interested to know what the name of the movie they're going to come up with. So I think that will be a good part of it as well, to really frame what they're building. The name's going to be important.
If anyone in the live chat wants to throw out some names for our challengers, movie names, water theme names, please don't use Avatar. I mean that's obvious.
Waterworld.
Okay. All right.
Avatar, the way to flow.
The way to flow. I like that. Put it on a shirt. Get Webflow brand team to make a merch. And I see my producers nodding yes. Make it happen. All right. Sharknado sequel. Shark the movie. Awesome. Let's see here. Shreyas is still working on the page loader interaction. He's previewing it. Very nice. Very nice. Right. He has a background video, but I don't see any video in there yet. I'm wondering. Okay, he's on a website. I think I can't read the website's name, but he's downloading a free MP4. Okay, so he's gonna put sharks in the background. Cool, so we're gonna wait for that to upload. Let's go to Ankita's screen. And we see a bunch of, we see water ripples. She's using the Webflow starter UI library to add in this hero row. Cool.
We need to talk fonts.
Okay,
What
fonts.
fonts are we going to be using with a water theme? That'll be interesting. Have they got saved fonts already on another screen ready to come in? Oh, here we go.
Adam, out of top of your head, what font would you use for this?
Oh, gee, putting me on the spot here.
Curls MT.
I don't know, actually. Yeah, something with like roundness to it, possibly. That might
That's
work.
a really difficult one.
Right. So
What about you, Daniel? What do you think?
Yeah, you don't want to go too modern or slick, I don't think. It needs to, especially with a movie theme,
Impact.
some kind of, display.
Harshit, any ideas for a font that you would use for this prompt?
Yeah, I think just like Adam said, I think something round will look good here. Something round or something boxy and kind of shrunk down version of it. Something like maybe Gilroy Yeah, just coming to my mind.
Right, 5 minutes
Yeah.
remaining, challengers. 5 minutes left. It's time to start putting your final touches. 5 minutes left. Whew. It's really, really warm in this studio. Or it's probably just me because I'm rooting for both of them, and it's just amazing to see. Again, live audience, just remind you that whoever loses this round still has a chance to be saved by you. So this Friday, all 3 runner-ups from these 3 regional rounds will be placed on a poll on the Speed Build Challenge landing page. So look for that poll on the Speed Build landing page this Friday, because you can select the winner. You can vote for someone, and the winner of that poll will be saved and be moved on to the 4th semifinalist spot. All right, so you can save a runner-up. All right. Oh man. Okay, so we have some title suggestions from the audience. We got Dangerous When Wet, Pixels, Papyrus, obviously. You know what? I like that one. Papyrus, obviously. Maybe he's saying that Josh is saying that for the font, but I like that as a movie title. That would be funny. Under the Flow. I like it. All right. So let's go to Ankita's screen, and she has the Finding Dory logo, and yeah.
I guess it's down to the genre of the movie too, right? So if it's a kids movie, different font. If it's a horror movie about sharks, it's a completely different vibe.
That's true. I mean, it was Finding Nemo. It was the shark saying, "Fish are our friends," or something like that. Whereas, if we go to Shreyas' screen, he's all about Jaws and shark attacks, and yeah, he's getting actors' names now. Okay, book tickets
Nice.
now. Watch trailer. I like this. These are 2 very different layouts. Yeah. Pedro's asking in live chat, does this site need to be fully responsive? The answer is no, just 1 breakpoint. But if they have time to do a mobile, I'd be super impressed. I mean, I think the judges would be too.
For sure.
That'd be amazing.
All right. 2 minutes, 20 seconds. 2 minutes, 20 seconds. This is it. Ben Parker in the chat saying, crunch time. This is it. This is your round. What are you going to do to wow the judges? Both have wowed me already. So this is going to be hard to judge. Judges, what are you thinking right now as we get into the last 2 minutes?
I'm wondering, I'm really excited to see Ankita's come to fruition here. I think we're going to get a big reveal. Oh, wow. Here we go.
Stars. Did not expect that.
Yeah. Ankita is still holding the surprise.
Agreed. What do you think, Adam?
Yeah, I agree. I like what Shreyas is doing, and I'm not sure what Ankita's is going to look like by the end of this. So just waiting to see.
Same here.
I'm really liking the Shreyas title, Shark Attack. Feels like a R-rated movie filled with all the shark attacks and all.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, so fun to. Wait, did Ankita just add some sort of blending mode?
Yeah.
See, I love being with you all because we can all nerd out about blending mode. Things like that. Let's nerd out about fonts, blending mode, and all.
Yeah, that's clever.
All right, 42 seconds. This is it. Put your final touches. This is it. Don't forget, live audience. Vote for the runner-up this Friday. Save the runner-up this Friday. Go to the Speed Build landing page. The link will be in the description box below. But judges, count it down with me for the 10 seconds, yeah? All right. Go. We're at 15 seconds. This is it. Click, click. Finish it up. This is it. 10, 9,
9, 8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5, 4, Three,
Three,
two,
Two, one.
one.
hands off your mouses and keyboards.
done.
That is it. Oh, great job to you both. That was so fun to watch. Blew my mind what could be done within 20 minutes. Thank you both. Yeah, let's go to Shreyas' screen. Shreyas, please publish your site and please share with us. Go ahead and open up the published version and share with us of what you built. And don't forget to unmute. Okay, you are. All right. What did you build, Shreyas? Can you tell us about it?
So I added a lottie animation for the page loading interaction, a background video showcasing a shard about the movie. So yeah.
I want to just point out how oddly satisfying it is that the snout, the shape of the shark of the video that you've chosen fits so perfectly with the buttons and the paragraph wrap, the rag, as print artists, graphic designers call it. It is, oh my gosh. I don't know if you intentionally went for that, but it works. So great job on your project. Let's go to Ankita's screen. Ankita, please publish your site and share with us what you've built. Ankita's your screen. I see your screen moving. Okay, go ahead and just preview your page then. Preview the designer.
In the preview, the custom code will not work.
Oh, okay, so we'll need to see your other screen. Did you already publish? There we go. Go ahead and refresh. Okay. Cute. Tell us about this.
So basically, I just in the page load interaction, I tried to show the images, the stills from the movie, and once you complete the stills of the movie, then the whole hero section comes up.
Awesome. Let's refresh it one more time so the judges and audience can see. Great. All right. It's loading all the pictures. I love that. Awesome. Well, great job to you both. All right, let's put 30 seconds on the clock for judging. And yeah, judges, go ahead and submit your scores in the spreadsheet. Live audience, you have 30 seconds to give 5 bonus points to a challenger of your choice. So head on over to the live chat now to cast your vote. All right. Challengers, how are you feeling right now? That's it. Shreyas, this is your first time here. How did it feel?
It was great, actually. It's a great experience to be here. Thanks for having me.
Yes, you did wonderful. Ankita, your second time doing this. You were on stage. You're back here. How do you feel?
I feel relieved that whenever it's over, I feel relieved.
Yes. Agreed. All right, we are done with the 30-second countdown. Let's go to our judges. I'm going to start with Adam. Adam, what were your 2 scores? And tell us why.
Okay, so I gave Ankita an 8 out of 10. And
Okay.
I thought it was super clever what Ankita did with the slider and tying that into the loader. Kind of gives you, I guess, quite an entertaining start to the website experience. And then for the hero section, I think it's pretty clear. It's nice and centered. I think the background video works well. You can read the text still, which is good. So yeah, well done, Ankita. And then for Shreyas, I gave Shreyas a 7. So again, great job. I liked Shreyas's loader. I thought that was clever how he tied in the Lottie animation. I felt like the hero section was like quite neat and tidy. But I think where I think Ankita, for me, scored that extra point was for, I guess, the creativity. So yeah, that's why I scored Ankita's 1 point more.
All right. And again, audience, it's a maximum score of 10 points from each judge. Next judge, Daniel, what are your two scores and why?
First of all, great job to both of you. And Keita, I gave you a score of 8. I absolutely love the animation at the start. I like how the water that you've used, those colors really tie into the movie colors as well, and to those flashing through of the stills that you use from the movie as well. Really well done. Again, as Adam said, clear copy, can read it really well, nice and centered. And I love also how you animate it out and the image kind of, the loader grows out and we get to see the final reveal, which is really, really nice. Yeah, that was an 8. Shreya, congratulations. Really nice job. I've given you a score of 9. I did that because I liked all the different tools that you use while building this as well. So I liked how you were using Bard. I liked how you used the different tools. I think I saw, was it Reloom in there as well that you were using? And I just found overall it was a little more succinct coming together. The theme, the name of the movie, everything along those lines, and including the extra information just put it over the line for me. So great job to both of you.
Awesome. And lastly, Harshit.
Yeah, so I gave 8 points to Ankita. So let me first tell you how I am kind of defining those points. So I'm defining points based on 2 things. One of the things in how closely they are following the prompt, which is like super nice. I can see, it's really hard because both of them are doing like amazing. I really like both of the builds. So yeah, that is the first criteria that I have in mind. The second thing is how creative and how real this looks as a movie hero section, because that's the prompt. It should look like a hero header for a movie, right? So I gave 8 points to Ankita, and I gave 9 points to Shreyas for this, just because I feel both of them are looking great. But for the Shreyas, I have that 1 extra point because of the fact that it kind of felt more like a movie poster to me. For like it's shark attack. So for example, I have all the like cool fonts. The font is also looking great. We have a shark in the background as well, so kind of giving some more information about the movie, like that shark is the one that is dangerous or something, right? And the loading animation is also really nice. Loading animation was nice on both of the places. Yeah, so I feel that Shreya's build is looking more like a movie poster to me. So that's why 1 extra point for Shreyas there.
Awesome. Well, thank you all for your scores and your honest feedback. And for the community bonus points, it looks like live chat has voted for Ankita's build. And so that means the winner of this regional round for the 2023 Speed Build Challenge and recipient of the airfare, hotel accommodations, and Webflow Conf ticket is Ankita Gupta. Congratulations. It was a really close race to both of you. Yeah, so let's go to Shreyas. Again, huge congratulations to you for making it this far into the challenge. You did such an awesome job. The scores are super close, but again, hang tight because people can still vote for you at the end of this week, Friday, in the live poll. So tell your friends, tell your family to vote for you on the Speed Build Challenge landing page, okay? But before we let you go, are there any last words you have for the community?
I'm here because of the community. Actually, all the tools that I use, everything that I've learned, is all from the community. So yeah, thanks a lot.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Reyes, for putting your Webflow skills to the test live in front of our audience. I know it is a heart-pumping nervous thing to do, but you did it. You're super brave. But yeah, I hope that this isn't the last time we see you in a speed build challenge. But thank you so much. Everyone in chat, claps for Shreyas. Let's hear it one more time. Thank you so much. All right. So yeah, just hang on tight. Let's go to Ankita. Ankita, you're coming back
Yeah,
to San Francisco. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling great. Like I never thought I will be going back again to San Francisco.
Awesome.
Thank you
Um,
so
what else is going through your mind? Are you already preparing in your mind, like, oh my gosh, what do I have to pack? Where should I go? Who should I shake hands with? Or like, what's going through your mind?
Honestly, I don't think I never thought beyond this because I felt like once this is over, then I will think about what needs to be done in the next. But yeah, I'm just feeling overjoyed right now.
Awesome. Well, get your passport ready because we're gonna set things up for you. But thank you so much, Ankita, and we will see you at the 2023 Webflow Conf in San Francisco. Let's give it up one more time for Ankita and Shreyas. Claps in chat. Claps in chat. Yes. All right, folks. Well, that's the end of this round. But again, don't forget the next round will be for the European, Mediterranean, and Africa's region, where Riziki and Stefan will face off. And we'll have guest judges Charlie Marie, Rand Segal, and Vincent Badu. And also be sure to be on the lookout for that poll I keep mentioning this Friday. It'll be on the Speed Build Challenge landing page. Save a runner-up from these regionals so they can take the fourth remaining spot in the semifinals and be flown to San Francisco. All right. And let's give another big, wonderful thanks, claps in chat, for our judges. Thank you so much to Adam, Daniel, and Harshit. Do you guys have any? I'll start with Adam. Adam, do you have anything else to say to the community before we let you go?
Yeah, no, thanks for having me. It was awesome to watch these two talented developers go head to head, and I love this format. So I'm looking forward to seeing more of this, and yeah, hope to see more live builds in the future.
Yes, same here. And Daniel.
Yeah, again, thank you for having me. What a privilege to be able to judge two amazing builds. And I can't wait to see what's coming up over the next few weeks as well with the builds. So yeah, I'm going to be definitely watching with a keen eye.
Awesome. And lastly, Harshit.
Yeah, as a ex-participant myself, I was really happy to experience it live, and I am going to watch all the streams. And yeah, very happy and wishing all the future contestants as well all the best, guys.
Right. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, judges. Until next round, which is happening on July 26th, be here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified when the EMEA regional round starts. I want to see you all in the live chat again. But yeah, my name is Nelson Amos Jr., reminding you to make the web beautiful together. See ya.